Okay, Frank has made a lot of progress on his Jaguar. Just about ready to crank it. Turn it over a little bit today to pump a little oil up in the engine. As you can see, everything's about complete. He has done a lot of fabrication of this stuff of his own, updating this stuff to newer stuff and fabricating some of the parts himself. Still has to get a lot of the wiring on the interior and the interior, the carpet, getting the seats back in, headliner. But it is coming right along. Soundproofing along the floor, insulation and soundproofing. Got his fuel system, his gas tank and everything in. Everything hooked up, fuel pump. Check the pressure. Put a pressure test on the fuel system, it's holding. Pressure test on the cooling system, it's holding. So, probably the next few days, I'm gonna get a different starter and it'll be ready to fire up. This is going to be the longer video, and we'll do a short of this as well. I can tell you what some of this is, but not all of it. Took the fuel injection off of a later model V12. Went with it instead of the carburetors. So that'll be about it. I will do a short and upload the short first.